Okay, so this is day number 6 of week 1. This is the day before load day. I chose to have my load days to be every Saturday. What I noticed about today is that I've only eaten one time, and that was when I got up at 7 a.m. and it's now 4:38. Now the other days I was really consistent with the eating, so I don't know. I am hungry now, but I went a long time between being hungry from this morning, and this morning was like the scarcest breakfast. Like, I just grabbed something quick, like the rest of the salad that I had, and I made turkey chops. I just fried some turkey chops in olive oil, and I had a piece of a turkey chop. I don't know what's going on. I think I just didn't have a taste for anything. I am a little concerned, or should I say not concerned, anxious, because I don't know what tomorrow is going to bring. I am to weigh myself first thing on load day. So we'll see what happens. I do feel different. I do feel lighter, but I don't know that I've actually lost anything. I just feel, I know for me, sugar and starchy stuff makes me feel heavy and sluggish. So since I've taken that out of my diet, I do feel lighter. I don't know. All right, so I'm gonna show you a few slides of things that I have eaten for this week, and I'll show you pictures of what I eat on load day, and then you'll get the results for week 1. Stay tuned. My right arm stayed the same. My left arm went down by 1 inch. My right thigh stayed the same. My left thigh went down by 1 inch. Initially, my thighs were the same, and my arms were 1 inch different, with the left being the largest. And now the left and the right are equal. The thighs were the same. Now the right is the largest, the left is the smallest. My waist went down by 2.5 inches. My weight went down by 2.5 pounds. And let me do the hips. My hips went down by 1.5. Not bad for the first week. I know a lot of people lose a lot of weight in the first week, depending on how much you have to lose. And I have a lot to lose. But if you want to, maintain it, to me, the best way is low and slow, consistent. So 1 to 2 pounds a week is great. I wasn't hungry. And I did not exercise, despite my good intentions. Although they say the first week you do not exercise, my intent was to at least do stretch regimens twice a day. I did not do it. In fact, I attempted to do one of the workouts for week 2 because I was able to see it. And I tried to do it, and I was just, oh my gosh, I just really wasn't in the shape, if you will, to start with those exercises for week 1. So tomorrow is exercise day for me, and I'm excited to get to it. Let's see what happens. But all in all, I'm excited to see what this 10th week is going to look like. So, all right, let's keep moving forward.